Let's begin the session with constructing a tangent to a circle. Construct a tangent at any point P on a circle of radius 3 cm. Before solving this problem, let me tell you what is tangent to a circle. Observe these figures. All these straight lines you can see are tangents. Tangent is a straight line which touches the circle at one point. The point at which tangent touches the circle is called as point of contact. There is one more property you should know about these tangents. The radius drawn at the point of contact is always perpendicular to tangent. Let's solve the problem. First step is to draw a circle. Consider this point as center O. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Next step is to choose any point on the circle. Let's choose this point and name it as point P. Actual process of drawing the tangent to this circle starts now. Keep P as a center and draw an arc such that it intersects with the circle. Arc measurement should be equal to the radius, that is 3 cm in this case. Mark the intersection point as A. Now you have to keep A as a center and draw an arc. Measurement of compass should be of size arc OA. Draw an arc. Mark the intersection point as B. Remember, first step is to choose a point on the circle, and then keeping a chosen point as center, you should draw an arc which intersects the circle. Next, keep point A as a center and should create an arc such that arc OA is equal to arc AB. Now, apart from the chosen point of contact P, we have two more points, A and B. From here, it is very simple. Keep A as a center, draw an arc. Then, keeping B as a center, draw another arc. These two arcs meet at a point. From this intersection point, draw a straight line through point P. We have a tangent here. We have successfully constructed the tangent where P is the point of contact of the tangent and circle. Let's solve another problem. Draw a circle of radius 2 cm and construct a pair of tangents at the non-center endpoints of two radii such that angle between the radii is 100 degrees. Measure the angle between the tangents. Question states that tangents should be drawn at 2 points of circle such that radii drawn towards those points are at an angle 100 degrees. So, we begin with a circle which has radius of 2 cm. First, choose a point P. Draw radius OP. Now, measure an angle 100 degrees keeping OA as reference. Mark this as point Q. Connect OQ. We have angle between these two radii 100 degrees. We are supposed to construct tangents at both of these points. I hope you remember the steps to draw tangent at any given point on the circle. Anyhow, I will repeat the process again in this video. Keeping P as a center, draw an arc which intersects the circle. Now, keeping this intersection as a center, intersect the new arc. We have two intersection points here. I will name them as A and B. Keeping A as a center, I will draw an arc, and keeping B as a center, I will draw one more arc so that these two arcs intersect each other. Remember, all this while I have kept the measurement of compass equal to 2 cm, which is the radius of the circle. Draw a straight line from this intersection point towards the point of contact. We have first tangent here. Repeat the same steps and create second tangent at the point Q. Like this, we have tangents at points P and Q. And we have made sure that angles between radii OP and OQ is 100 degrees. Let's check what is the angle between two tangents. Measure the angle. It is 80 degrees. We have successfully found the angle between two tangents. Let's solve another problem. Draw a chord of length 4 cm in a circle of radius 2.5 cm. Construct tangents at the ends of the chord. In previous videos, we learnt how to draw chords in the circles, and in previous examples in this video, we studied how to construct the tangent. Let's recall our learning in this problem. This is the point O. Draw a circle keeping this as center point of radius 2.5 cm. We are supposed to construct a chord of length 4 cm. Choose a random point. Name this point as A. Measure the compass for 4 cm. Keeping A as the center, draw an arc which intersects the circle. Name intersection point as B. Join AB. We have chord of length 4 cm. Question states tangent has to be drawn at the end points of the chord. That means we are required to draw tangents at point A and point B. Let's draw tangent at the point A. Measure the compass. It should be equal to radius of the circle, that is 2.5 cm. Now draw long arc which intersects the circle and also meet the center of the circle. Name intersection point as X. Now keep the pointer of compass on the intersection X and draw another arc such that it intersects the previous arc. This intersection is Y. Don't make any changes to the measurement of compass while drawing this arc. We have two new intersection points, X and Y. Draw two arcs keeping each of these intersection points as center. Make sure these two arcs intersect each other. We have arrived at the last intersection point, through which we will draw tangent where point A is the point of contact. We will follow same steps and draw tangent at B as well. Finally, we have arrived at the solution. We have first constructed the chord 4 cm in length in 2.5 cm radius circle, and then we have constructed the tangents at the end points of the chord.